Okay, good evening. Welcome to
FamilyMath 256.
266, I think.
266.
So this is a really neat exercise I saw in the Math Teachers at Play blog today. And it's called Graph Theory for Kids by Joel David Hampkins. And I thought we would just kind of go through it or do a little review of it.
Okay.
So it's available online, and I'll link to where it's available online. And these are just kind of the first two pages. I think, not sure what he was trying to get at with this page, this another 3D solid, but let's get right to the meat of what he's talking about, which is here. Okay. A graph is a collection of vertices joined by edges. So we have some vertices joined by edges. And he wants you to count the vertices, the edges, and the regions.
What are the regions?
The regions are, when we have a shape like this, what it divides the plane into. So how many regions, for example, does the plane divide? Does a plane get divided into by this shape?
Well, two regions.
Okay, why do you think one?
Well, because there's like the one thing in there.
Okay, and why do you think two?
Well, because there's two regions: the region inside the square and the region outside the square.
Okay. So for purposes of talking about this, the region outside also counts. Okay. But it's okay. Like, it's not clear like what the rules are here. So for this shape, you want to color in the vertices?
Okay. So let's see. The corners are the vertices.
Okay. So how many are there?
There are 4 of them.
Okay. How many edges are there?
Edges, there are 4 edges.
Okay.
Looks like we'll need another color for the regions.
That's okay. We can just count them. We don't have to necessarily color them. Okay. So 4 minus 4. And how many regions are there?
There's 2 regions.
Okay. 2. So we get 4 minus 4 plus 2, which is?
2.
2. Okay. Let's do the same exercise for this, but maybe we don't need to color it in. What do you think?
We don't need
How many vertices are there here?
Well, there's 5.
Okay.
And then 5 edges. And then there's 2 regions. So that adds up to 2 again. 2 again.
Okay. And what about for this shape?
Well, there's 6. Yeah, 6 vertices. There's 6 edges and 2 regions. So it looks like 2 of them.
And this shape, this graph here, he actually gives you the calculation. It has 5 vertices. You want to color those in just so we see them?
And I'll do the edges.
Okay. Great. Why don't you color in the edges?
And the edges can be curved, right?
Yep, absolutely. So it's not like our zone tool set or like edges of a polygon. These are just edges of a graph, and they can absolutely be curved. So 5 vertices, 7 edges, and how many regions does it divide the plane into?
Well, it divides it into 1 region, 2 region, 3 region, and then there's the outside 4 regions.
Good. So we have 5 minus 7 plus 4, which is?
2.
How interesting.
Maybe they all divided into 2.
Well, let's continue on, and let's go to another video to continue on, okay?
Okay.